People online claim that you can turn grass into a garden using nothing but some cardboard, compost, and mulch without any tilling. So today I'm going to be testing sheet mulching with cardboard, see if this lazy gardening method actually works. And if it does, this is becoming our new corn garden. This area used to be part of our yard. We let the chickens out here for a while, and then on top of that, we put goat bedding down. So I'm gonna have to rake this off of here. Sheet mulching is basically a no-dig gardening method where you smother grass and weeds using layers of cardboard and organic matter. The idea is that instead of tilling the soil, which can destroy soil structure and bring dormant weed seeds to the surface, you let worms and soil life do the work for you. The cardboard blocks sunlight, so the grass underneath dies off naturally. And then the compost, manure, leaves, or mulch on top slowly break down into healthy soil. Alright, so we were able to get the bedding off of the area here. Now, most sheet mulching guides recommend mowing the grass as short as possible before putting the cardboard on here. But for us, the grass is already short to non-existent. There's a little bit out here, but up here, there's almost none. So we're able to skip that step. Now comes the cardboard. You want plain brown cardboard with all the tape and glossy stuff removed, so that you're not introducing toxic, non-biodegradable materials into your garden space. And the big thing you should focus on here is overlap. If you leave gaps, grass can grow right through them. I'm overlapping at around 6 inches per piece. Alright, so all of this is covered. Now it's time to get the cardboard wet. Alright, so right now we're going to cut the holes for where we're going to be putting the corn. That way the water will be able to soak through into those holes, because as of right now, it's not doing a great job of soaking through the cardboard. We're just going to cut a simple X in the cardboard, and we're going to pull open all of those different parts, and that way we can plant right down in there. Alright, so there's our first row, and then we're going to move on down the way. So I just soaked the cardboard completely so that it stays soft and stays in one place. So now the goat bedding goes back on top. So the main goal here is to get a thick layer of organic material over this cardboard. A lot of people use compost, aged manure, shredded leaves, or mulch, or a combination of all of these things on top of their cardboard. Today, we're just mainly focusing on goat bedding, which is hay and straw. Those are the main things. And of course, goat manure, that too. You're gonna want 6 to 8 inches of this material on top of the cardboard so that the cardboard can stay soft, and so that the weeds and other material underneath, including the cardboard, can start breaking down. Now for the fun part. We're going to be planting the corn directly into the sheet mulch garden. So as you can see, I already got the slots. I mounted up the mulch in between the rows where we're going to be planting the corn. Once I plant it all, then I'm going to spread it out some more. So we'll just pull back some of the cardboard and plant the corn into the ground. Feels kind of wrong planting into cardboard, but I guess it works incredibly well once it all breaks down. So I guess we'll find out. All right, so what I'm finding is that the easiest way to do this is to just push the flaps down that you created from your X that you made. You're just gonna push each of those flaps under, and then you have your open planting space where you can plant your corn right down in there, or whatever else you're planting. Okay, well, I just finished planting all this stuff. Now I'll lightly spread the hay. That's just about it for planting. This is ready. It's gonna rain. No tilling, less weeds, better moisture retention, and healthier soil over time. Those are some of the benefits of using sheet mulch. As the cardboard breaks down, worms and other organisms are going to move that material and decompose it for you. So that is how to sheet mulch with cardboard. This used to just be grass with goat hay on top of it, and now it's our brand new corn garden. And honestly, this is less work and less disturbing of the soil than if we had tilled it or done a different option. So if you'd like to see how this corn does, or more homesteading projects and challenges like this, hit subscribe, because I've got a lot more coming. Click over here to see me try and move all of this goat bedding up here in less than 5 hours. Click over here to see me working at night trying to move half a ton of mulch in less than 3 hours. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.